Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tripeaks Solitaire. Your main goal is to clear all the cards from the 3 peaks on the tableau. These cards are arranged in 3 overlapping pyramid shapes, with a row of face-up cards at the bottom and a face-down stockpile and a waste pile beside it. Understanding this initial setup is crucial for starting your game successfully. To clear cards, you must match a card from the tableau with the top card of your waste pile. The card you choose must be 1 rank higher or 1 rank lower than the waste pile card. For example, if the waste pile shows a 5, you can play a 4 or a 6. The suit of the card does not matter at all, only its numerical rank. This simple rule is the core of gameplay. If you cannot find any valid matches on the tableau, you can draw a new card from the face-down stockpile. This action places the new card face-up onto your waste pile, and it then becomes the active card for subsequent matches. You can continue drawing from the stockpile until it is empty or until you can make another match on the tableau. Use this resource wisely to keep the game moving. You win Tripeaks Solitaire by successfully clearing all the cards from the 3 peaks on the tableau. A key strategy is to always try to uncover face-down cards as quickly as possible. This reveals more options and helps you plan several moves ahead. Aim to clear cards from the tallest peaks first to open up the most possibilities. With practice, you will develop your own winning techniques.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.